When your AC stops blowing cool air on a hot day, it's more than an inconvenience. It's a call to action. Before you reach out for professional help, let's troubleshoot together with tips from Maximum Heating and Air Conditioning. First, ensure your thermostat is set to cool and the temperature hasn't been changed by mistake. A quick battery swap for a malfunctioning thermostat could be the simple fix you need. Next, inspect your air filter. A clogged filter restricts airflow, so replacing it might just bring back that cool breeze. Don't overlook your power supply. Check if the utility room switch and circuit breakers for both indoor and outdoor units are on. Your outdoor unit needs space to breathe. Clear any debris around it and consider scheduling a professional maintenance check if it's been a while. A blocked condenser fan or a dirty coil can impede your AC's efficiency. Clear out any obstructions and give the coil a visual check. A dirty or frozen evaporator coil could be the culprit. If you spot frost, switch to fan-only mode to defrost, then try cooling again. And don't forget, a clean indoor fan motor is essential for effective cooling. Unclog your condensation drain if it's blocked. And if you suspect a refrigerant leak, it's time to call in the experts from Maximum Heating and Air Conditioning. Leaky ductwork and faulty components like the compressor or capacitor can also lead to warm air woes. These are issues best left to the professionals. If you've run through these steps and your AC still isn't chilling, Maximum Heating and Air Conditioning is ready to step in. Proper maintenance is crucial, but when you need us, we're just a call away at 630-788-4688. Stay cool, Aurora.